म्हापशा बस स्टँडा मऱ्यांच्या पार्किंग लॉट वापरपी लोकांक पे पार्किंगवाले नाडटात अशें म्हणीत म्हापशेच्या लोकांनी तिडक उक्तायल्या. पे पार्किंगेच्या पावतेवयले मॉल खोडून थंय सुबेज दर घालून लोकांकडल्यान पयशे घेवपाचो प्रकार चलिल्ल्याचे एल्विन मास्करेनास ह्या नागरिकान सांगले. अशी फटवणूक जाता देखून ह्या पे पार्किंगेच्या मॉलाचे बोर्ड जाग्या जाग्यार लावचे जेणे करून लोक दरा विशीं सादूर जातले अशी मागणी लोकांनी केल्या.
A consumer, I regularly use Mapusa parking areas. Today I had some work here. I was here by around 3 p.m. and when I came to park my car, the board was not immediately visible to me. So I asked the parking attendant. He told me first 50 rupees. I was shocked. I said 50 rupees for parking. He refused to tell me what is the minimum rate. I kept asking him. Then I happened to come and see the board. When I saw the board, I saw on the top it says 50 rupees for four-wheeler. And then the second last line, it says 25 rupees. When I showed him that, he started to tell me, it is half rate if you want from. I said, why are you giving me the maximum rate first? As a consumer and under the Consumer Protection Act of 2019, I am supposed to be informed. I have a right to information. So after that, he issued me this ticket for four-wheelers, parking fee rupees 25. And he had not even put the time on it. I asked him to put the time for me. Then he put the time on it. There's no vehicle numbers showing. Also, over here it says valid up to 5 hours. There is a discrepancy between the ticket and the board. The board is saying 4 hours for 25 rupees. He's saying this is to your benefit. It is okay, good. But I am saying, why is there a difference between 5 hours here and 4 hours there? There should be, and the information should be clear, and it should be the same as per the ticket, as per the board. It is a four-wheeler, a car, yes. Hence, I took a ticket of 25 rupees for 4 hours. I paid 25 rupees upon insisting. But he did not disclose that information to me in the beginning.